Greetings and salutations. Welcome back to the Oyster Box. I'm Jane Lindley Thomas. As you can see, I'm extremely comfortable in an apron. Let's go and find out what Chef Kevin Joseph has on the menu for today. Come on, you guys!
The chicken, the Romans, the garlic, this, that, whatever, and a couple of sausages.
Welcome to another session with Chef Kevin Joseph from the Oyster Box. What's on the menu today?
Today, I thought, I know you like sushi, which means you like seafood.
I do.
Now, we all know Jane likes seafood. So I'm doing a prawn and chorizo pasta for you.
Good one.
What we're going to do is, these are the prawns, cleaned and deveined. You can leave the shell on if you want to. It's purely up to you, but I'm not a big fan of trying to take the shells out while I'm eating a pasta. So we're going to stick that into the bowl. Some garlic, smoked paprika, a quick toss. Now we go over to this side in the pan. Just warm it up. Some butter.
If my personal trainer is watching this, this is low-fat butter.
Very low fat, very low fat. Stick that in. Prawns are fully cooked when they pink all over.
Pink all over.
Yeah. Now that the onions are done, we're going to throw in the chorizo and give that another minute or so just to cook. Some red chili, some tomato paste. So now that you can see, you've got almost a sauce-like consistency from the tomato. We're going to add in the cream. This recipe, you can delete either the cream or the tomato. If you do, you just increase the amount. So if you take out the cream, you double the tomato. If you take out the tomato, you double the cream.
Whoa, a mouse.
There, so the prawns go in. Give that a quick toss up. Right, and we're ready to go.
We're ready to go.
Yep. My lemon! Yes! Where? Oh. Okay. Good. We're ready. Okay, so now we're going to plate this dish, okay? So first, obviously, the pasta, nicely warmed up. Again, in butter. Sorry, fitness trainer. Dude, yes?
Dudette.
Dudette. Ooh, awesome. So, we're going to put some of that onto the plate. Prawn. And a lemon, because you're definitely going to need a bit of the lemon just to break up that richness.
Okay, let's get stuck in.
So, what do you think?
You can stay.
I can stay. Am I keeping my job?
Super, really good.
So I guess we're not doing the swapping thing then.
No way. Really
Don't forget, that recipe is on the website, and we'll see you next week.
So did you want to say something?
Don't forget to look out for the clues. You can win yourself an amazing high tea. Bye.